Kevin from Open Table MCC, your queer affirming church. And nandito tayo ngayon with...
Justin Katigbak po.
Ayan, Justin. Tiga saan ka, Justin?
From Quezon City.
Ayan. So, Justin, first of all, we would like to check bakit ka nandito sa QC Pride?
Honestly, I'm here because I want to support the LGBTQI. This is my first time to go here kasi last time hindi ako na-attend. So, pagsisiyan ko yun kasi nga may important matters ako noon. But this time, I make it.
Yeah, and we're so happy you're here with us, celebrating and inspiring every queer individual. Anong importance ng Pride sa'yo at bakit ka nag-join this year?
Honestly, aside from na proud ako na may LGBTQI, is to support my cousin. Kasi honestly, konti lang kaming nagsusupport sa kanya. So, that's why dito ako, inaantay ko lang siya. So, to support him.
Right. The mere support and showing up for them as an ally is it really makes a lot, no? It really is something. Sa pagkakaroon ng isang queer family member, how do you navigate through that? Anong ginagawa mo to fully show support apart from showing up here sa QC Pride?
Like, aside from sobrang natutuwa kami sa kanya, pero ano din parang siya yung nagbibigay saya ng pamilya talaga natin. As in, kung wala siya, wala yung saya ng pamilya natin. I realize na I have a cousin na gay din, na walang sumusuporta sa kanya. Then, until na, okay, so may cousin ako na bakla, bakit hindi ko yung supportahan ko? Ayan, so simula nun, dun niya in-out. Kasi alam niyang may sumusuporta na family member.
And it also makes you feel safe kasi if someone is there for you.
Yes.
Yeah, I just would like to thank you for being a queer ally then for your cousin. And sa lahat na nanonood, anong gusto mong sabihin or message?
Message ko lang sa lahat, ano ka man, babae, lalaki, tomboy, bakla, we need to respect them. Kasi sabi nga, wala namang hinahanap na batayan, ang kailangan natin is to respect all.
Ayan, respect, and that is the minimum that we should receive. At yan po, again, I'm Betty from Open Table MCC, your queer-friendly church. Love you guys!